Well, TGIF East Texas outside, temperatures are in the 60s and lower 70s out there. Not too bad, fairly comfortable as we get ready to enter into the season of fall. But overall, not a horrible forecast for you today. We've got some clouds out there this morning, so we'll call it mostly cloudy skies. But as we go throughout the morning, I expect to see more sunshine peering through, so we'll call it partly cloudy. Here's the setup. We've got a decent upper-level low off the southeast coast, producing lots of rain for the Carolinas and the Tennessee, even some severe weather overnight. But for us, that gives us the backside flow, and that's a dry flow coming in out of the north. So I think as we go throughout our Friday, we can expect more dry weather making its way into the region. It's all because of the upper-level ridge that's situated over East Texas here. A dip in the jet stream to our north and west, a dip in the jet stream to our east, but in between, we're kind of squeezed into that warm and dry pattern, and that's what we can expect to stick around right on through the upcoming weekend. Now, as we head into the beginning of next week, we're going to be watching the Gulf of Mexico to our south here for the potential tropical development that could take place here, and this would stream north towards the Gulf Coast, giving us maybe some tropical moisture by the beginning of next week. We'll just see. I wouldn't bank on it yet at any means, but something we'll watch for you through the weekend. Here's your red zone forecast. The big game of the week here. Nacogdoches taking on Lufkin at Abe Martin Stadium. Kickoff temperatures into the mid-80s will fall down into the 70s by the end of the game. Also, can't forget to tell you about the total lunar eclipse that's happening this Sunday here. The last time we had this was, 32 years ago, so it doesn't happen often here. And the total eclipse will be lasting from about 9/11 till 10:23 in the evening time, and then of course it'll come to an end around 11:27. You should be able to view this, go outside, look towards the north, and hopefully you'll get a chance to see this, and a great learning experience for the kids as well. Talk to them all about the blood moon and how that affects you in everyday life. Here's a look here at the Storm Tracker 7-day forecast. Just a spotty shower possible to our south today, but I think we mainly stay dry. The weekend looks fantastic with sunshine, highs in the lower 90s, but of course, we will be watching the tropics very closely heading into the beginning of next week. Right now, some very low rain chances there. If that system does look to materialize, we may have to bump those chances up just a little bit.
And would that bring our temperature down more? Or?
It could. More clouds, more rain possibilities could bring the temperatures down.
All right. Thank you, Cedric.
Fingers crossed.
Your time is 5:15.